I like to eat orange and bananas. I like to eat orange and bananas. I like to eat orange and bananas. Yum, 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 yummy. Hello, friends. Welcome to another excellent class at the EduLab 360 classroom. Today we're going to be learning something really interesting. We're going to be learning about an amazing letter sound. It was night time. It was time for Gloria to go to bed. So Gloria went to the light switch and she went up, 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 up. How did she go? Up again, 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 up. Great job. She kept on playing with the switch and the switch made the sound up, 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 up. Good job. The switch made the sound up again, up again, up again, up again, up again, up. Great job. Let's give ourselves a roll and a clap. Roll and clap. Great job. What sound is this, everybody? Oh, great job. Let's say the sound again. What sound is this? Up again, up again, up again, up again, up. Great job. Just like Gloria, we're going to pretend to turn and turn off the switch as we make the sound up, 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 up. Great job. Now I'm going to teach my friends the song to the letter sound up. Let's sing, friends. Now it's dark, the light goes on. Oh, 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 oh. Now it's dark, the light goes on. Oh, 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 oh. Now it's night, the light goes off. Oh, 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 oh. Now it's night, the light goes off. Oh, 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 oh. Now it's dark, the light goes on. Oh, 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 oh. Now it's night, the light goes off. Oh, 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 oh. Great job. The letter sound, up again, up. Now let's learn to write the letter sound up. So I want my friends to write in the air with your magic finger. Magic finger up. Magic finger midway. And shake it, 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 shake it. Great job. So to write the letter sound O in the air, we're going to start at a point. We're going to go around like the coily, okay? And stop at the point with a flick. Okay, let's go again. Start at a point. Go round like the coily. You continue. Back to the point with a flick. Let's go again. Start at a point. Go round like the coily. Continue until you get back to the point with a flick. Great job. So let's write it on our board. You can get your board or pick your piece of paper or your jotter to write this. Let's write, friends. You start at a point. You go round like the coily, all the way to the point with a flick, just like this, okay? I'm going to write it again. You start at a point, go round, just like the coily, back to the point with a flick. Ta-da! We start at a point, we go round like the coily, and we go all the way back to the point with a flick. Great job. Beautiful, right? Now we're going to sing the song to the letter sound O and move our board from side to side, okay? Let's sing, friends. Now it's dark, the light goes on. Oh, 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 oh. Now it's night, the light goes off. Oh, 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 oh. Great job. This is the letter sound O again. Again, up. Next, you're going to be looking at some words and some things that begin with the letter sound up. One of the things I spy that begins with the letter sound up is an orange. Up as in orange. Orange is a type of fruit, and oranges are yummy. Up as in orange. Up as in orange. Up as in octopus. Octopus. An octopus is an animal that lives in water. And guess what? An octopus has 8 legs. It has 8 legs. It's a type of water animal. Another word that has the letter sound up in it is on. 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 Please put on the lights. Please put on the lights. Another word that has the letter sound up in it is off. Please put off the lights. Off as in off. Off as in on. Off as in orange. Off as in octopus. Another word that has the letter sound up in it is hop. 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 Okay, so let's blend the word hop. Okay, up, hop. Again, up, hop. So we are going to write the word hop on the board. Okay, and we are going to blend it together once again. Let's write it on the board. I hear the sound. So I'm going to write that right on the board. I hear the sound oh. So I'm going to write O on the board. And I hear the sound P. So I'm going to write P on the board. So let's blend. Up, hop. Up, hop. Great job. Well done, friends. So I want my friends to go around the class, okay? Make sure you go around the class. Make sure you go around the house. Ask daddy, ask mommy about different words that begins with the letter sound up, okay? Make sure you come up with as many words as possible that begins with the letter sound up or has the letter sound or in them, okay? I'll see you next time. Remember, this class has been all about the letter sound up. It has been all about the letter sound up. See you next time. Bye-bye. Love you, friends.